And a good Saturday evening to you, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video driven by 802cars.com. They represent 802 Toyota, Twin City, Subaru, and 802 Honda, all located off of Exit 7 on Interstate 89. Looking at the winds, this is our surface low right here, and this is the remnants of an area of low pressure that tracked up the middle Atlantic coast with the remnants of a lot of extra moisture. Most of it has kind of worked its way off to the north and east. Some of that has moved across, and we're starting to see what we call a dry slot work in and reduce a lot of the precipitation. But there is redevelopment of the precipitation. You can kind of see several different areas of low pressure. One right here, this is the surface low. The upper level low is back over here, so we're kind of slanted in the upper levels back this direction to the surface low here. And we're seeing, of course, strong east to northeast winds. These winds are showing signs of falling off, with the maximum winds already having moved on through. Looks like precipitation is going to be a little bit more showery and lighter, as there's no more snow threat, wet snow threat for any kind of loading issues. We still continue to see wind gusts. This is Menden, V-Trans, and you can see winds over 40 miles an hour. Occasionally it was up around 50. This is Wells, Vermont, and it looks like the trends have peaked now and are starting to show signs of coming down. And looking at the tighter pressure patterns here, you can see the strongest pressure gradients, where the lines here are at their closest, is now beginning to shift off to the north and east, as this area of low pressure, the surface low, is beginning to fill just a bit. Looking at it about 4 hours ago, it looked like this. And you can see that the pressure pattern across parts of southern New England into southern Vermont was stronger than what we're looking at here. Looking at the complex storm, there was even some thunderstorm activity that rolled out of eastern New Hampshire, worked through parts of Maine. You can see some of that here. And also an upper level low. It's back over this direction here. And we're starting to see the main axis of heaviest moisture shift to the north with lower clouds now. These will be lighter showers moving through Vermont. Temperatures are making a rise, and it bodes well for a quieter night ahead. And one last look as we look at the upper level trough and the area of low pressure, and then the surface low, which is going to be taking a track like this. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.